stood right in front of me. Colour of her eyes were the colour of insanity. Crushed beneath her wave like a ship I could not reach the shore. We're all just dancers on the devil's dance floor. Well, swing a little more, and there we go. Swing a little more next to me. Swing a little more, and there we go. Swing a little more on the devil's dance floor. Brushed against her face, I could feel her insecurity. Might have been a drunk and her father was obscurity. Nothing ever came from a life that was a simple one. Pull yourself together, girl, and have a little fun. When she took me by the hand, I could see she was a furry one. Her legs ran all the way up to heaven and past Avalon. Tell me something, girl, what it is you have in store. She said, come with me now on the devil's dance floor. Well, swing a little more, and there we go. Swing a little more next to me. Swing a little more, and there we go. Swing a little more on the devil's dance floor. Swing a little more on the devil's dance floor.
In general.
Dude, the worst for me is a fucking full strays.
Ostriches.
Yes, dude, that thing is pissed off.
Permanently, dude.
Permanently. I've never in my life seen a fucking... Oh, I've experienced it. I was fucking around.
Take the car. Fucking rented this thing. What was it though?
As a joke, I would take my dad had like these old wooden golf clubs. He didn't play golf. Someone just gave me clubs and there was like an old wood, but it was literally like a piece of wood at the top. And I would take this thing to the fence where the ostrich was walking, and I would hold it higher than the ostrich's head. And apparently that fucks with the ostriches. So it starts to get into like territorial mode, and it like stomps its feet on the floor and starts spinning in a circle. And I think this is hilarious. Little do I know that I'm fucking working this bird up into such a state. After doing that, that thing hated me, dude. Like whenever I would, it could sort of get onto my dad's property, and like literally this thing would chase me from the car to the front door and then just patrol the house, dude, for like 6 hours a day, this fucking bird. And I would go chill in this room and the thing would come past, like fucking chill with its head by the window, and then I go to the next room and it would walk around and look for me again. Oh,
We need to copy.
Ew. Oh,
That's not so good.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
never ends. Holy moly. Let's get their reactions.
Hey, how's this fucking rope? Ridiculous.
Dude, I'm fucking boggled, bro. Like this all here looks kind of cool, and then you get there to the shadow, and it just drops to nothing. It just drops away.
Don't say that. Someone net to her.
Yeah, that's my response to Irk.
Where do you stop?
I don't think you do.
Oh, that's just like very, very long frequency speed wobbles.
But he go as fast as you can, you'll be fine. Get the frequency right and you're fine.